Come and see what I've been up to. So this is the latest serviced accommodation, one of two. I'll show you the inside in a sec, but loads of parking. Luckily it's the winter. Best part about taking on a property this time of year is two things. One, the due diligence allows you to check low season on the comparables. Two is no gardening. I don't know if you saw the previous video, but the whole house basically I've had to empty and put in here. So that's not too much of a problem, but it did slow us down. That's all in here. I don't really need the garage yet anyway. Been working hard on the hot tub installation, getting that together. It's required a lot more work than I anticipated. All in all, the whole setup of having a hot tub is gonna cost me about 3 grand. So it's been 1,800 for the hot tub delivered. So that was a really good price. And then just all of the bits and bobs that come with it. This little shed here is absolutely perfect for all the hot tub stuff in here. I've ordered the hot tub pump, building a pergola. Got my brother-in-law coming tomorrow to install the pergola to go over the hot tub. So basically, if anybody's looking to stay, book this place on holiday, which is probably going to be the case, and the weather's looking awful for the whole week, at least they can go in the hot tub even though it's absolutely pissing down with rain. So yeah, no grass to cut even though it's growing really slowly. This is really quite cool actually. It come with this tables and chairs, and this is a very substantial umbrella, so brilliant. And we've got this kind of seating. Oh, it's actually really warm in here. How cool is this? So it come with the furniture. Got its very own compost heap. So at the moment, tortoises are hibernating in the greenhouse. And I spoke to the person whose tortoises they are, and they said they're 120 years old. So they're in there somewhere under that blanket in a box. 120 years old. It's mental. So come and have a look on the inside. We've got a trampoline instead of buying a new one because I'm a cheapskate. They're about £200 new, £15 Facebook Marketplace. Just bought a new net. Shall I do a backflip? Yeah. Ah yeah, still got it. Boom! I'm glad I landed that. Ring doorbells, 130 quid for a Ring doorbell. Can't believe the price of them now. So all we've mainly done is paint. Paint. We painted 8 rooms. My sister's currently painting the 9th room. Not bedrooms, just room. Yeah, so I think this needs one more coat in here, but everything needed painting. Look what it looked like before, and it's starting to look a bit more fresh now. So we're getting there with the furniture as well. It's coming together. This room's finished. It's just kind of the dumping ground at the minute. So just got to find a piece of furniture for it in there. This is really important. If you're staying here, right, I'm not saying all adults will stay here, but if you're staying up here, you need somewhere to rest a drink, put your phone, put it on charge. I see a lot of people in their essays. I've even stayed at some Airbnbs and there's no sockets anywhere near the bed. That's really important. Don't annoy your guests. Let them plug in their phone. Got to install either a shelf or something high enough for people to put a cup of tea and stuff. So there's going to be a twin room. There's the other single bed in there. These beds are solid. This was actually in the garage, so it's not the most modern, but it works, and I need to wire it in, so it has a little lamp there. And then this bedroom's pretty much finished. Sister's gonna put a wallpaper feature wall. We're gonna put some really quirky floor down in here, which should really bring this bathroom to life because that floor is letting it down. The tiles, got to sort the grout out because it looks a bit dirty, and then this room's pretty much finished. This room is finished. It just needs the feature wall and some curtains ready to be furnished. The kitchen's coming together. We're going to put in new worktops, a new oven. Kindly left all this sort of stuff. So look at that. How cool is that? We're going to put it all on display. We're going to put it all on display up here. So it kind of just looks cool. All of these old books. Where's that book you found, Brad? Is it in here? This book, what did you say it was?
120 years old.
120 years old. It's just like an old cookbook. So we've got 120-year-old tortoises. Even stuff like this. Look at that. Cool. But they basically said, use whatever I want to use, whatever I don't want, put in the garage, and they'll donate it to the local charity shop. This room is looking, yeah, just fresh paint. It's going to remain like a breakfast room. It's going to be pet friendly so dogs can stay. The boot room, they're going to use this as the main entrance, take their wellies off if they've been for a walk, so they don't walk across the carpet. Just hide in. Yeah, so that's the update. I'm aiming to be live. I was hoping to be live by this coming Monday. It's currently Thursday. I think that's really optimistic. Probably stand no chance because there's still quite a bit of work to do. I'm thinking get it live in a week's time so then people can book the weekend. So I need to get the listing live on Airbnb. I need to do that in the evenings whilst still doing stuff here. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. My YouTube fam. See you soon.